Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of error that are available in Python. The three main important types of error are syntactical error, runtime error, and the logical error. The syntactical error are caused when we don't follow the programming syntax. For example, when you miss equal to sign or comma while typing a program, and you run the program which result in a syntax error. The second one is a runtime error. When your program is syntactically correct, but your program crashes because of your logic. For example, when you run a recursive program without an exit condition or a loop which never ends. When you run a certain kind of program which will result in a runtime error. The last one is a logical error. The logical error are caused by the carelessness of the programmer. The logical error runs the program without crashing, but we won't get the desired output. For example, your intention was dividing the integer value 10 by 5, so the expected result would be 2. But by mistake, when you divide the integer value 5 by 3 and you expect the output to be 2, in that case, we are not going to get our desired output, which results in a logical error. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding how the error works. First, we will start with the syntax error. My intention was assigning a value 5 to the variable a, but I forgot to mention the equal to sign, which is an assignment operator. If I run this, the Python interpreter will display a syntax error. Let's run the program and check this out. Yes, if you guys notice, since I didn't mention an assignment operator, Python interpreter displayed an output as syntax error. Next one is a runtime error. In this example, I'm assigning an integer value 0 to the variable I, and in the while loop, I'm checking for the condition if the I is less than 10, and I'm printing the I. Our program is syntactically correct, but the logic turns out to be true, and the program will keep on running. The loop is never going to end. In this case, after a certain point, the program will crash, telling that it's having a runtime error, because the I value is always 0 and our while condition is always true. Let's run the program and check this out. If you guys notice, the program is keep on running. After a certain point, it will reach a runtime error. So as of now, I'm gonna stop the program manually to save some time. The next one is a logical error. So my intention was to divide the integer value 10 by 5, but by mistake, I divide them by 4, and I expect 2, but I get an output as 2.5, because of my carelessness, instead of integer value 5, I mentioned the integer value 4. This is called logical error. The logical error are the hardest of all the errors to debug. I believe you guys understood how the different error works in detail. See you guys in the next video.